All right, let's get back to it. Let's see. That's there. That's there. And there we go. All right. Welcome back. If you're just joining us, this is Factorio with the Industrial Revolution mod. I am Dorthak, and we are continuing working on our project here. So, yeah, we're trying to build carbon fiber. Now, if you're a regular viewer, you may be aware that I normally stream... where are we going? Carbon fiber. That I normally stream the Industrial Revolution mod on Tuesdays and the Space Exploration mod on Saturdays. However, this week there will not be a Saturday stream. I have a conflict that will prevent that, and wow, we are definitely dropping frames like anyone's business. On the plus side, I seem to have gotten transcoding. I do apologize. I don't know what's causing this. I don't believe it's anything that is under my control, but I can absolutely see the rate crashing. I tried 2 different input servers into Twitch. I do not know what is causing this. I'm hoping it'll recover. And if not, then hopefully you can catch this on a VOD or on YouTube when it comes out. Although obviously YouTube is quite a bit behind. Okay, what is going on here? Do we have a train in that still has 14k when it looks like these are all completely full? Did I set the request amount wrong? I bet I set the request amount wrong. Yeah. How much is it supposed to be? Supposed to be 240. I set it to 270. Well, that's no good. We will do the same stupid trick we usually do. Whoa, that was really close. Now we don't need a whole lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock this down to 1. And we'll deal with it later. It's all good for the moment. Okay, so we were working on this here. So now we are going to... oh, lights. I should have grabbed some lights while I was out there, but meh. It's just not that important. Let me drop off those trains, because they're gonna... well, whatever. Alright. Let's steal the next chunk here. This is the heavy oil cracking. Oh, we need pumps here. We need pumps. Do I have enough? I'm gonna have enough, yeah. That pump can go there. And we need... I'm out of space. Okay, pumps, please. 1, 2, 3. And I want this info here, and also this, just to verify that things are the way they're supposed to be. Alright, this is going to go like that. 1, 2, 3. Maybe offset a little. And I need the water on the bus as well. Let's put it right here. Now, let's put it right here. There we go. Okay, water can come in here. Now, yep. Okay, ingest pump. Output pump. Okay, that's now that's full, so that's going to back up, but that's okay. Now we're not controlling this as we did in the previous one. Next, we need the light oil cracking array. And again, 1, 2, 3. That shift, I think that shifted. 1, 2, 3. Water. Okay. And light oil. And petroleum, which is on this line. There. And now we're cracking everything down to petroleum, which is what we want to do. And in fact, let's give some more storage to petroleum. No, let's not give storage to petroleum here. Let's give storage to petroleum on this side. We're gonna make a petroleum buffer right here. Nope. Because we're gonna pump into that. That's gonna be strictly one way. There we go. And what we want to see is all of the heavy oil and light oil going away, and the petroleum, the building up. These are not running because they're backed up on what? On petroleum. That's good. That's what we want to see. But now we have a place to put the petroleum. Okay. I don't know that these ratios are correct, and it doesn't matter. We will, if we see we're backing up on something or running short on something, we will increase it. Okay. So far, that has just been some oil. Now it is time to actually produce carbon fiber. So let's take a look and see what's involved in that. Let's go over to the side here. So if you're producing carbon fiber, you're going to take in plastic and steam. No, we got to make... first thing we got to do is make liquid plastic. So... liquid plastic, again, we can steal from here. Now over here we're going straight into making other plastic, but we don't have to. So let's steal this part. And we needed how many machines? It said 6. Okay. Six. Ah. Okay. Okay. Upgrade the power poles. Upgrade the inserters. And carbon is gonna come in right here. Okay, and I think what we will do is there, and just to make sure we're balancing things, star greater than 10. That'll keep it from putting everything on one side of the belt, and we will put in 1, 2, 1, 2. And I'm just using this as a balancer. It'll draw from all 4 sides like that, and it'll only output the one belt that we need, which is perfectly fine. Okay. And we need power. And we're gonna want one of those. And there we go. We've got liquid plastic. Now, we only need 4 machines making the actual carbon fiber. So let's see. Plastic and steam. I think we will do it like so. 2, 3. And carbon we need. And how fast is this? 1 second. This is a 1 second craft time. That's actually pretty quick. Okay, so let's do this. Where are we? Will that work? Yeah. And you only need 3 carbon. I will use one of these anyway. And then we can output to the right. And we need power. There we go. That works. That gets us to there. Two. 3. Come on, autosave. And I've trapped myself again. And 4. So here we need again, let's see, this required 0.4 belts and this required 0.4 belts. Well, we want to just use another belt. Nah, we'll just split it like that. Now we need steam. How can we produce steam? Is the only thing that we have is these guys, which means we need to feed it coal. And we did not get a coal loading station, so we need to do that now. Bot off. Okay, this is gonna get coal. I'm only gonna ask for like 100 because really we just don't need that much. And bots back on. I think I'm out of LT and train stops. Yeah, I need to go grab some. Okay. I don't really want to do this here. Well, it's actually not a bad system. Except I'm gonna put it right here. Where do I want to put the steam? I think we're going to put the steam off to the right here. Which means we don't need this in this direction. We're going to instead send it up. actually, I think we'll make the steam plant here. We need, according to this, 2 steam boilers. Where are they? Did I put them on the train? I might have. It's quite possible. No. I know I grabbed them. Didn't I? There they are. Alright, so we only need 2. Let's use 4, because why not? I lost them again. There. We will put these steam pipes right here, I think. Okay, now. Yeah, I'm just gonna run a solid pipe like this. And steam can live right here. And water can come in right here. And coal can come in right there. Oh, my auto can still put in some coal. We need to alternate these. We need to put in power. And this can come into here. Except that we need to get some LTN stations. Okay. Okay, and now we need a loading station, which we can grab right here. Nope, these are both offloading. We need a loading, but from the end, this one right here. From the end away from the station side. I need more chests, I need more lights, and more... What else are you asking for? That's part of a train station, guy. That's not a separate item. Alright, and we can't even name them because we don't have them set up. Oh, that's no good actually, because now we're not going to be balanced. Let's turn you off. that's all I have. Okay. I can live with that. There. We'll turn you on when we have enough boxes. Let's run back to the mall and get some more supplies so that we can complete this. Alright, shuttle transfer please. And while that's happening, I'm gonna eat a cookie. Because why not? Yeah. Well, I'm hoping the stream quality is watchable for you. I do see that we're dropping a lot of frames, so you may be experiencing buffering. But, well, right now it's looking okay, but we've got like 11% packet drop over the life of the stream, which is way higher than I've ever seen before. So, my apologies for that. As far as I can tell, that's something outside my house, and not anything I can do anything about. Hey look, carbon fiber. That's on the way. That's on the way. We can see the robots coming in. There they go. Hey. Let's see. More lights, that's good, that's good. Here we go. Two more coming in. Just getting recharged in the solar arrays here. Some more piping mostly. I think we can live without it. Yeah. Two more pipes and undergrounds. Well, it's almost here. Okay. Back to carbon fiber. Nope, that's at the top. We actually could use some coal ourselves to make sure our armor gear is running. We'll grab that when once the train comes in. You know, the other thing we really need to do is set up some more fluid trains and more depot space. Okay. You are... No, you're correct. You are not carbon in. You are coal in. Yep, there you go. And you are LTN, carbon fiber, out. And now that we've got all of the boxes in, let's pull these out as well, to make sure we have it perfectly balanced as it comes in. Okay, and as soon as we get that coal, the steam plant will come on, and we will be good to go. Now we do want to set this to fairly low. Let's set this to 5,000, because we're not producing that much of it. And now that I'm thinking about it, let's expand this a little. There's no reason not to. So we had 6 here. Let's go to 12. Which means we can take these 4 and go to 8. Now that does mean we need to bring in more of this. So let's do just that. And we already put in twice as much of that as we need. What are you short of? You're short on petroleum. Okay. What's going on with petroleum? Why are we not running? That's it. You're full up on... Wait, what? Not running because you're full up on petroleum. But there's no petroleum here. Was there a blockage there? I'm confused. All of you are backed up on petroleum. What is going on here? Oh, what's going on is I didn't put or I accidentally deleted that. Aha! Well, that was clever of me. Probably when I put the pump in. Alright, and we've got coal. So now I'm going to refuel this. There we go. Oh, and am I out of chemical plants? Did I leave them on the train? No. But I had a whole bunch of them. Odd. Well, we can come back and put in a few more. Let's do like 20 more. Alright, how are we doing now? Looks like we are tracking more or less everything, but we're not producing enough petroleum. Well, they're kind of blinking back and forth on that. Right, because now it's backed up, so... Let's expand this. Because there's just no reason not to. Okay. Copper ingots not found in network. What could that be? We're producing tons of copper somewhere. Why is this not running? We've got... this is being crushed. What's going on here? Fluid ingredient shortage. They're not getting enough water? Huh? There's no water there, then the pump should kick in. That should bring in here. Why are we not getting water? Where's the makeup water coming from? Where's the water coming from? Coming from here? Oh. Huh? How did I do that? Oh hey look, there's builder bots here that can fix that. Oh excellent. I mean, we shouldn't have needed the makeup water, but oh, there it goes. Okay. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's a lossless process. Now that I'm thinking about it, may not be lossless. The makeup water may be required, and may have just taken a while for it to run out of the water and need the makeup. But that's okay. This is safe because we're not going to get bound up by the water, because if there's too much water in here, these pumps will cut out. Hey, and now we're getting powder. Not quite fast enough yet, but that's just a question of it needing time to come up to speed. And there we go. Okay. So you guys are all running. We're even getting backed up a little bit. We need more to crack more heavy oil. But again, we need chemical plants for that, and I thought I'd gotten tons, but apparently not. Let's go grab a few more. Alright, there aren't any on here. Nope. Let's see. We can stick this in here. We can stick that in there. We can stick that in there. Alright, shuttle transfer. Now, the reason we made carbon fiber is primarily for science. Let's take a look at it in FNEI. May even be entirely for science. Let's see what we use carbon fiber for. Discharge defense, okay, not a big deal. Exoskeletons, okay, those are useful. Low density, okay, we're gonna want them for, right, we're making them for this, which is we need for science. But we're gonna need low density structures for a lot of things. That, don't care that much about. Those are all personal things that we are gonna handcraft. The duraluminum bulkheads, I think we may need something, but that's in the future age anyway. So the main thing is these guys, which we need for yellow science. Ion probes, which that's space. Orbital satellite. Destroying them, and rocket parts. Okay. So, we need to bring them in. And I think we're gonna bring them in closer to science, because we need them for science. Do we have but we don't have any real space on any of these train stations. I think maybe right here. I think maybe we will bring it in, build the station for it here. Which means we probably need... No, we have some tracks. Alright, you guys coming? Here comes some stuff from here. Here comes some stuff from there. We will... Yep, here comes the chemical plants and piping. And what are you bringing me? Ah, the chemical plants as well. They must have been in storage around here. Alright, so... We've got that being made. We've got that being made. So we need to make the low density structures. So no, we don't want to put them there because we need to build an array to build low density structures, so I think we will put it into here. Bring it in here. We don't need it on the bus, we could just backfeed the array. I think that's what we're gonna do. Alright, I've got the chemical plants, everything else can wait. I just want to complete that and move on. Alright. So that's an almost complete outpost. Radar. Gotta remember to drop radar there. And then we can go on to build our next array on the bus. May need to do some biter clearing again between episodes, but not a big deal. Connection quality right now is looking okay. Let's see. Come on. There we are. Yeah, we could have just gotten coal right here. We didn't need to bus to bring it in by train, but eh. Train is good enough. Alright, let's see now. Let's expand these guys. Let's expand this. let's expand that as well. Did I not get the output bill put in? I did not. Well, that was clever. There we go. Okay, that's a lot more cracking capacity. We still have... no, these are all running, so we're not... They're backed up on heavy oil still, but hopefully that increase will resolve that. Okay. I am pronouncing this to be build to be completed for the time being. We'll see if we have to tweak it over time, but for now it is good. So let us go and work on the next thing. Which means I want to go to shuttle transfer. And then we'll take the shuttle. Come on, autosave. You can do it. Alright. Let's see, what else do we not need right now? That's all fine. We never need that. Yeah. Okay. So, let's see. If we are producing carbon fiber at a rate of, let's say, 8 per second, we're trying for double that, then for low density structures, we want to aim for that same thing. Where's low density structures? There. Okay, you go to chromed parts. And let's go back to this. So we want to make low density structures. Where are they? There we go. At 8 per second. Except we're set to minutes, so at 8 per minute. Wow. 80 laser assemblers. Holy moly. Okay, well, I don't think we're making quite that many right now. Do we have... what do we have in the way of laser assemblers at all? Because those are precious resources because of the shortage of rubies. How many do we have? Well, we have 100. So we could... we could do it. Okay. Okay, so let's see. 80 of these. We need steel, copper foil in inordinate quantities. 10 belts worth of copper foil. I don't believe we have copper foil. Do we have copper foil on the bus? We do. A really old build. I don't know that we have enough of it to use that. We're using it for green circuits. let's see. If we were to produce our own copper foil, we would need 1 for 1. And we would need 5 belts of copper to do this. Yeah, that's not realistic. Let's go down to 4. That's a little more realistic, but wow. This is gonna have to be an outpost. We can't do this on the bus. We've got to do this in an outpost. Never mind doing it here. Let's take more laser assemblers. We have a lot of copper being produced, so I think we only have 4 belts. Yeah. Okay. Let's take a look at LTN, at our inventory. We have steel ingots in inventory. We have, well, right now we have no copper ingots in inventory. Why is that? Didn't we just fix you? Where's copper? We've got 4 solid belts coming in. Okay, it's just feeding. That's fine. There's 12k here. It's restocking. Couple hundred rubies as well. Okay. So yeah. Train, go over to gold parts. Alright, where do we want to build that facility? Well, frankly, we should just do it here. Instead of sending carbon fiber out, we can just send the circuits out. Yeah. As we just said, we don't need it for anything except personal stuff and circuits. Okay. Back to our... back to transfer station. Oh, that completely changed the plans, but that's okay. That's why we have plans, so we can change them. Alright, it is 10:35, which means it is time for my second break. I am going to take that precautionary save. I'm going to catch the train to the other station, and I will meet you folks over there in just a couple of minutes. Except I just did that. Yes, it helps if I actually get on the train. There we go. Brilliant, Dorthek. Alright, let's try that again.